Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check the data communication and data transfer between the two EC2 instances in two different regions in the same AWS account with the transit gateways. So you people don't know about transit gateways. So AWS Transit Gateway connects your VPCs and on-premises networks through a central hub. So it simplifies your networks and puts an end to complex peering relationships. Some people know about VPG and site-to-site VPN and customer gateways. So in this scenario, we need to create one VPG to be attached to one VPC. Suppose if I have 30 VPCs and 30 different accounts. So in this way, I need to establish a transit gateway. So with this transit gateway, we uh, can streamline our network and scalable, and the transit gateway routes all traffic each and from to. You can have one place to manage and monitor it all. So this is my AWS architecture diagram. So this we are having two VPCs in single AWS account, but these are two different regions. One is in Mumbai region and one VPC in North Virginia region. So with this transit gateway, we are attaching the transit gateway attachments to VPC, and with this transit gateway attachment, we are attaching the transit gateway to another North Virginia transit gateway. So we need to connect EC2 instances with this transit gateway peering connection. So let's get back to the console and achieve this communication between two regions and two EC2 instances. So go to VPC in the Mumbai region. I'm still in the Mumbai region. So create your VPC. So name it as Mumbai VPC. I'll go with 10.80 series. This is good for me. 10.80 series. And I'll go with the one availability zone and one public subnet. I don't have any private subnet. I don't need any VPC endpoints, NAT gateways. Create your VPC and go to North Virginia and create the same. Check your VPC. It should be in 10.80 series. So this is fine. And go to North Virginia VPC and create your VPC as Virginia VPC, North Virginia VPC. So I'll go with the 10.90 series. So my IP should not be overlap to the 10.80 series. So I can go with the one availability zone and one public subnet, zero private subnets, and add gateways, VPC endpoints. So create your VPC. So we have created our VPCs in Mumbai region and North Virginia region. So go to Mumbai region and the dashboard. Check the EC2 instances. Is there any machine is running or not? So in my Mumbai region there are no EC2 instances. So let's launch one EC2 instance. Mumbai server. T2.micro is enough, and go with the key pair. I already created a key pair, and Mumbai VPC is enough, and the subnet is public. I'll go with the public IP to connect from my laptop. I'm allowing SSH access. So currently we need security group to open world, so the data will be communicated through the internet. So I'm using a public IP, so I need a open to world. All traffic should be enabled to anywhere. And GP3 is for cost optimization, and launch EC2 instances in Mumbai region, and go to the EC2 instance in North Virginia. Check whether your instances are launched or not in the EC2 instances console. So there is no EC2 instances running in my North Virginia region. So I am going to deploy one North Virginia instance, North Virginia server in North Virginia. So T2.micro is enough. I don't have any key pair. Okay, I have any key pair. Okay, so this is my public subnet. I am enabling the public IP. to open world. So traffic should be enabled to all, and GP3 is for cost optimization. So launch EC2 instances. So we have created VPC in Mumbai region, and we have created VPC in North Virginia, and we have created one EC2 instance in public subnet which is in Mumbai region, and the same thing we have done in North Virginia region. So check your EC2 instance is running or not. Copy the public IP, log into the server. So this is my private IP address 10.80.2.7. So let's check the North Virginia server IP address. So this is my public IP and this is my private IP 10.90.3.2.8. So let's check the communication between these two. Ping. So the communication is not happening between Mumbai region VPC server and North Virginia region server. So let's get back and achieve this through Transit Gateway. Suppose you people say that I can use site-to-site VPN and more VPNs and some VPC peerings. So if you have more VPNs and suppose you are having 30 VPCs in single region or more VPCs in different accounts, so it will be very complexity to check the route tables, peering activities and attachments which you are going to do. So in this scenario we can go with the one transit gateway for all 30 VPCs, so that we can establish a transit gateway, so customize our network traffic. So going to create a transit gateway, so TGW Mumbai. So the same description I can paste it here. So it is Amazon side autonomous synchronous number. So this is will be as default. ASN number will be in 65500. So you can auto accept and share the attachments. I am going with a no option, and you can give as a CADR if you choose, if you have any particular CADR. So my transit gateway is deploying. It is still in pending state. So go to the North Virginia region and create a transit gateway for the same. So create a transit gateway, TGW North Virginia. This is enough, TGW. So the same, you need to create a transit gateway in the North Virginia. It is still creating. Mumbai transit gateway is still in pending state. So when it is available, then you need to create a transit gateway attachments, which I have showed you in the AWS architecture diagram. I have creating a transit gateway, and in the Mumbai region I am creating a transit gateway in the North Virginia region, and I need to establish a communication between VPC and my transit gateway through transit gateway attachments. So let me check if it is available or not. So it has been done. So let me create a transit gateway attachment. I'll go with the TGW Mumbai VPC name, and you need to choose your transit gateway which is in Mumbai region. Attachment type VPC, VPN, peering connection or connect. So I'm attaching to a VPC. I'll choose this. So choose your own VPC which you have created, and it will be automatically choose that an availability zone which is having a public subnet. So create a transit gateway attachment. So it is still in pending. So let's get back to the North Virginia region and check the transit gateway if it is in available state or not. Okay, now it is available. So do the same in the North Virginia region. Create a transit gateway attachment. North Virginia. This is my North Virginia transit gateway idea. Attachment is a VPC. So you need to choose your VPC and attach the create a transit gateway attachment and attach to your own VPC. Let me check if it is pending state or not. So it is now available. Let's go to North Virginia and check that. So it is still in pending state. So go to the sub route tables, which the subnet is attached to your route table, and go here and check the routes. Edit routes. So if it is standard IT series, it should be go to local. If it is 0.0, it will go to internet gateway. If it is standard 90 series, it should go to transit gateway. 10.90.0.0/16, it should go to transit gateway. So this is my Mumbai transit gateway. So I'll save it as route table, and you need to do the same in the North Virginia's route tables also. So this is my route table, which is attached to the public subnet. Go to the routes. If it is standard 90 series, it should go local. If it is 0.0 open series, internet gateway. If it is standard 80 series, it should go to the transit gateway. So this is my VPC CIDR in the Mumbai region. So you need to click on the transit gateway. This is my North Virginia transit gateway. So I am attached. So let's get back and check the connection between these two instances. Let's start. The session has been timed out. Okay. Let me check the IP. Okay, it is here. So still the communication is not happening. Okay. So we have established a transit gateway to our VPC to the transit gateway, and we have attached my transit gateway attachment to this transit gateway and to the VPC. So this has been done. So you need to establish a transit gateway peering connection between Mumbai region and North Virginia region. So let's show you how to do this. Go to the transit gateway attachments. So it is done, and it is an available state. So you need to create a transit gateway attachment to Mumbai region from Mumbai to North Virginia region. So I'll create a Mumbai North Virginia attachment. So select your transit gateway, and in this attachment type you need to choose peering connection. So you are establishing a connection between Mumbai and North Virginia. So the type is peering connection. It will ask the attachment type in which account is my account or another account. So I am going in my only single account. So it is in my account. Select your North Virginia region, which is having a transit gateway in that account region. So I need to paste my acceptor ID, the transit gateway ID. So this is my ID in the North Virginia acceptor ID, and copy paste. So here you have initiated the request, so it will accept the destination at the North Virginia region. So let me check whether the initiated request is done or not. So let me go to the transit gateway attachments and check that if it is appeared or not. Let me refresh once more. So it is still an initiating request. It will take some time to reflect. So if you see here in North Virginia, transit gateway attachment peering connection has been, it is in state in initiating request. You need to accept this peering request. So copy the same name, which you don't get confused about this. So paste it here. So you need to accept this attachment, which is came from the Mumbai region. So it is still initiating request. So it is saying that pending state acceptance. So you need to accept this request. So accept transit gateway attachment. So once you accept it, it will be forming as a tunnel between the transit gateways. So we have established peering between transit gateways with the transit gateway attachments. So this has been done, this has been done, and attachment to a VPC is also done. So let's get and check the connection between the two EC2 instances. So it is still in pending state. Let me wait for when the state is available. So if we see here in the Mumbai region, it is still in pending state. So it will take some time to reflect. Let me refresh my page. Sometimes the cache will be there. It is still in pending state. Let me pause the video. When it is available, I will come back. Welcome back, guys. Now the transit gateway attachment has been, the state is available in state. So we have established the VPC peering between transit gateways. So in North Virginia also it is still in available state. So in this Mumbai region also it is available. So this is the peering connection between transit gateways. So let's get back to the EC2 connection and check the connectivity. So let me check the private IP address of the North Virginia region. So if you ping back to the North Virginia server, it is still saying that there is no communication between those two EC2 instances which are in Mumbai and North Virginia. So let's get back and check this. So if you see here in the VPC in Mumbai region and the transit gateways category, if you see here transit gateway route table. So if you have enabled in the subnets routes, but that is not necessary, so you need to enable the routes in the transit gateway route tables also. So check the associations, it has been associated, and go to routes and create a static route. So you need to enter this 10.90.0.0/16 for the North Virginia region transit gateway route table. So you need to check that which is in peering state. So you need to type as active. So the same thing you need to go and do this in the North Virginia region also. Go to the transit gateway subcategory and go to the route tables. Choose the route table which is attached to the transit gateway. So create a static route. So you need to give as 10.80.0.0/16. This is my VPC range in my Mumbai region. So you need to choose your peering connection of transit gateway attachment Mumbai and North Virginia. So you need to hit enter, create a static route. So it is in available state. So let's get back to the console and check this machine whether it is communicating or not. Let's wait for some time whether it reflects or not. So this is my Mumbai server. So when I hit my private IP in North Virginia server, so the communication is happening between the transit gateways with the transit gateway attachments. So this is where the transit gateway will work. So it simplifies your complexity of your network, and your network will be streamlined and scalable. And this transit gateway routes all traffic to and from each other VPC, or you can use VPN or VPC peering connection between transit gateways. And also you can use connect service, which I don't have much knowledge about that connect. And you can manage and in one place and monitor it all the AWS Transit Gateway. So some people ask me about the you can establish PPG and customer gateways, and you can create a site-to-site VPNs, but this is possible in only some regions, like you have only one VPCs and two or some more in a single number digit. So if you have different VPCs, it will be very complexity to manage all the traffic and all the route tables. So this is where transit gateway works. So we have established a communication between a public subnet which is in Mumbai region and which is in North Virginia, another server. So with the transit gateways, we have established with the transit gateway attachments. So this is where the transit gateway will works. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you have anything, or if you have any queries, please post in the comment box. Thank you.